Our next project is STRIKDAS in a glass or bow tie in a jar, and this is a fun creative gift to give to someone special. So we have a bow tie, a stencil brush, a nice stencil design, a Tjhoko color, a matte black. So first of all, I'm going to dip my stencil brush in the paint, remove the excess, put my stencil design on the bow tie, secure it with my free hand. So to keep it very natural and trendy, we have the backing still in its wooden form, and we simply stencil with a black on top. Also, depending on the occasion and the color scheme, different colors can be used. And while I'm showing you how to do this, Eloise is taking pictures for our packaging and also for Instagram. Are you ready for the reveal? And I'm going to remove it. And that side is done. Now we move over to the next side. Just decide how we want the pattern to be placed. Even the leather in the center can be chocoed if you want to change the color. Okay, and I'm done. I'm going to remove it. Tjhoko has a beautiful stencil design, so you can play around with different stencil patterns. The bow tie is ready. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tjhoko Paint.